Oduduwarepublic.
It is alarming that Buhari revealed the sponsors of self-determination groups, yet he hasn't been able to nail or reveal the sponsors of the deadly sect Boko Haram. His speech during the Independence Day clearly showed who and what Buhari stands for. He spoke like a northerner and defended the atrocities done by the Boko Haram sect. According to Buhari, high-profile Nigerians have been identified as sponsors of Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho. In his speech on Friday, he opined that investigations has yielded a lot of information. He even went as far as saying that one of the financiers is a serving member of the National Assembly. Could this be true, or do you think it's a stunt from Buhari? Why would he withhold information about Boko Haram sponsors and decide to expose others on Independence Day? Pen down your thoughts in the comments section. Also yesterday, Biafra and Yoruba Nation united to clamor against Buhari-led government in London amid protests by some frustrated Nigerians yesterday as Nigeria marked its 64th independence anniversary. Over 100 members of Biafra, Yoruba Nation took their campaign to the seats of UK government, urging the Prime Minister and the Queen to support their cause.
Such unfiltered and unsubstantiated lies and hate speeches by a few evil persons must be stopped. Our media houses and commentators must move away from just reporting irresponsible remarks to investigating the truth behind all statements and presenting the facts to readers. We must all come out and speak against the lies being peddled. At this point, I would want to sincerely appreciate the large number of our traditional, religious, and community leaders, as well as other well-meaning Nigerians who, in their various fora, are openly spreading the message of peaceful coexistence and conflict settlement through dialogue in their respective communities. Nigeria is for all of us. Its unity is not negotiable, and its ultimate success can only be achieved if we all come together with a common goal of having peace and prosperity for our nation. We shall continue to work on dialogue-based solutions to address legitimate grievances, but we remain ready to take decisive actions against secessionist agitators and their sponsors who threaten our national security. The recent arrest of Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho and the ongoing investigation being conducted have revealed certain high-profile financiers behind these individuals. We are vigorously pursuing these financiers, including one identified as a serving member of the National Assembly. Fellow Nigerians, this is a clear example of how people abandon their national leadership positions for their selfish gains. Instead of preaching unity, they are funding and misleading our youth to conduct criminal acts that sometimes lead to unfortunate and unnecessary loss of lives and property. As the so-called leaders run abroad to hide, our innocent youth are misled and left in the streets to fight for their senseless and destructive causes. Government will continue with greater level of people's participation and in collaboration with our international partners to improve the security architecture, reduce enabling environment for criminality to thrive, and eliminate opportunities for terrorism financing. Fellow Nigerians, our unrelenting effort at resolving an almost 2 decades toil on the management of our petroleum resources and ensuring equitable consideration to our host communities has resulted in the enactment of the Petroleum Industry Act 2021. This act not only overhauls the institutional, regulatory, and fiscal framework of the petroleum industry, but also reduces the previous opacity associated with this sector. This is the first step to the reform, as the process is a continuous one. Already, to further improve the governance framework, I have sought for an amendment of Section 11, subsection 2b, and Section 34, subsection 2b. We also continue to review and amend as appropriate. At this juncture, it is